Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an I really don't know why I keep doing that, but today I have a new haul video. I had done a haul video before, and I had a lot of things that I got, but I wanted to specifically show you what all things I got from NAMSHI. And if you are from UAE, you know NAMSHI.com. I got a bunch of things from there. So I just got like casual things to wear. So I just got a couple of like loungewear, like dresses. I'll quickly show you that. And like NAMSHI has amazing deals. Honestly, I really don't buy anything from mall as such now. If it's like khadi, that is a totally different thing, because online also you have, but usually I buy a lot of things from NAMSHI because you get like so many deals on there, and it's like one of my favorite websites to buy. So anyways, today's video is going to be all about that. I'm not going to do any try on haul video because it takes a lot of time. So anyways, if you're new here to my channel, my name is Sharmeen. I do makeup related videos, tutorials, reviews. If you come across my channel and if you are interested to see this face, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I'm uploading a video. The link to my Instagram is also there. If you want, you can check it out. And without wasting time, let's get into the video. I usually buy like things when they are in discount. I can pay like full price. I do sometimes when I really like that product or I like the top or dress, but you usually get those things within few days on discount, be it in mall or in store or on website. So I usually buy things. I usually wait for like buy one get one, and sometimes when they are like on buy one get one, they still have like discount, and then they are like for buy one get one. So now going on to the dresses I got from Mango. So I got two dresses, buy one get one. These are amazing. This one is actually my favorite and I have already worn it, but it's really nice. One of my favorite dresses I own. It's the best dress that I still have. It's a casual dress, but it's amazing. I don't think they have in store now, but online it is still available, and I really have not seen any other dresses like this from Mango. There is a lot of beautiful Mango dresses, don't get me wrong, but this is something very different. It has like this balloon sleeves, and it is fully buttoned down. From the top till the end it is buttoned down, and then you have like this beautiful flare. It's a flared dress and it's amazing, and it is like fitted one. It's not the one that is loose, and it really looks like nice if it's fitted. This doesn't actually, I have gained a lot of weight, trust me. I was not like this. I have gained a lot since I have come to Dubai. I am just at home. I have gained a lot of weight, trust me. But this doesn't make me look that bad, trust me, because I love a lot of dresses, and I never actually like purchase them because it doesn't really look that good, but this really looks amazing. And honestly, after this I have started wearing dresses again, because honestly I love long dresses, and if it's like a good fit, it really looks nice. And this really looks nice, and you have like a very thin, like it's not like a belt, but you have like a thin to, you can tie it in the front if you want. But this is really pretty. I'll put a picture here. I had already worn it. It is amazing. It is very beautiful actually, and I can't really find any other, there is not even any other pattern in the same, not even in any color or any other different design. It's just in one design, and it is honestly really amazing and one of my favorite. I'll put a picture here so you can see what I'm talking about. This looks really nice if it's fitted dress will, this will look really nice if it's worn like fitted, and I would worn it that way. It was amazing, honestly. So this is the first dress. I honestly don't have any prices of these because as soon as I got it in my hands, I had put it for laundry, so I really don't have the price. But all the links I'll put in the description, or I'll write it here, I'm not sure, but mainly it will be there in the description for sure, so you can check it for yourself. So I got the dresses for buy one get one. And then going on to the second one, so this is the next dress that I got. So this is also like a flared dress, and this is little bit shorter than that one. That is like full length dress. This has like a balloon sleeve, but it doesn't have any lining to it. It just has a lining just in the dress, inside the dress, and it has like an opening. You have like to tie here, but this is not as like fitting as the other one that I showed you. This one, I mean, it makes me look like much huge and it doesn't look that flattering, but that one looks really amazing. I'm not thin anymore, trust me, I am not. That is why sometimes honestly if I wear like much looser dresses, it makes me look much like bulky and it doesn't look that flattering. So I love that dress one. This one is okay, but it is not as flattering as that one. But anyways, I love this and that is my favorite. I haven't actually worn this, but it's really nice and I got it for a good deal. So we actually have that. And if you see like clothes there, I'm sorry about that. Then going on to this top, I actually got this. I'm not sure, I had actually put the label here. I think this top, I mean, this is like a fitted like ribbed top with this little small, this tiny like turtleneck, and it is full sleeves and it is fitted top. And this honestly I think I got for 30 dirhams or 40 dirhams, and this was originally for, I'm not sure, but I'll put a link. But I honestly got like similar tops with different brands but different colors, but I got it for 30 dirhams. Trust me, 30 dirhams. And I love like these tops, fitted tops, and I love for actually videos because they are amazing. And I love like the ones which have fitted sleeves, I really love those. So this is the top and I really love it. I'll put a picture here so you can see, and I got it for a cheaper price. So we actually have that. Now I'll get other clothes as well to show you. Then this is from Only. So from Only again I got like one more in black color because black goes with like everything, and I think I had worn this, I am very sure, in the Natasha Denona review. And this is also like a similar one, but this is a bit loose, not too tight, and but the sleeve is like this like similar one. But so this is also like ribbed material and I prefer like ribbed material. It is comfortable and it has like these nice sleeve, and even I got this for like 30 or 40 dirhams. So we actually have that. It is a nice top to wear with just simple pants or jeans. It's really nice top, so we actually have that. Then again black, because I prefer to buy like black tops, and this is like way like it's very fitting one, but it is very comfortable. You have like a nice neck and you have beautiful sleeves, full sleeves, and this also honestly I think 30 or 40 dirhams. And similar one, and this is from the brand Ella. So I got similar one in this shade. I think they have like 4 or 3 shades. One is black, one is like this pinky nude, and one is like brownie nude. So this is also really nice, and I love these like tops, like these tops. I really like these and they are very comfortable, and I love the ribbed material. So we actually have these. Then I got these pants like I think 2 or 3 days back. I had ordered like 4 or 5 things and I got a good price, but I returned like 3 items because they were not like that great, so I returned them. So this is the first pant. I just got one pant, and this is like the one that I showed you from Zara, but this is not that flared, but I mean it's like a good flare. If you can see, can you please focus? I mean it's like a huge flare, and it is like a good material. I think this was for, I'm not sure, but I got it in a really good price. After discount I think I got it for 80, and after that again I had applied some like the discount and I got for like 50 dirhams or 45 dirhams. So this is like really good comfortable pant that I am actually enjoying wearing it. So we actually have like these pants, and I'll put picture here so you can see what I'm talking about, because let's be real, you have to like see how it looks. So we actually have that. Now going on to like two sweatshirts that I got. Firstly we have the black one, and this is from the brand Ginger, and I got the size large because I could like wear the medium one, but I wanted something a bit loose for me. So I got this one, and this has like white stripes on the sleeves as well as on the shoulders. So this is like a normal length So, and this is like thin material. The other one that I'm gonna show you, it has like a thick material, and I prefer like that one, normal t-shirt material, so it's not that thick, and I got it for a good price. So this is from the brand Ginger. Then I actually love this one, and this is also from Ginger, but this is much thicker, and this is actually like sweatshirt material. Even this has like white stripe on the sleeves and this white stripe on the chest area, but it is much longer, and this is like the oversized one, and I still got the size large because I really wanted like a larger and like casual, comfortable, cozy jumper, cozy sweatshirt. So I got this one, and I actually have worn this one. The other one I haven't worn, but this is really amazing. I'll put a picture here to show you how it looks. So this one I also got for a really good price. I think from Ella and from like Ginger I have got like amazing like shirts, like printed shirts, and like these type of tops. They, I mean, for a good price you get like really good things. So we actually have these two things. Now quickly I'll just show you a couple of like loungewear that I got, and then we are actually done with the video. So I'll quickly just get that. So quickly I'll just show you the leggings that I got. So these are from Nike, and these are like your workout leggings, and I think got it for buy one get one, I'm pretty sure, because I wanted something to wear like while going for a walk, or I mean mostly for walks, because I have like joggers, but I mean this is like very easy to dry also, and it doesn't take a lot of time to like wash and dry it off. So I prefer like this one, and this is like thick material, so it's really good. So firstly I got this one, and I got it in discount and like for buy one get one. So we actually have this one. This is like full length. I got the one with full length. So I got the Nike ones. So these are like, I just got black, no any, not even gray, like just purely black color. And the other one that I got is also very similar, but this is much thicker than the other one that I showed you, and it has a nice thick band on the waist. So this is the second one, and this is much stretchable than the other one. This is also stretchable, but this is like thicker one. So I just quickly want to show you this. So we actually have these. I got like two joggers from NAMSHI, and I think these are from the brand Ginger again. So I got it, I think again for buy one, but I think I'm not sure, I didn't actually get this during Black Friday. I got like before that, and NAMSHI always has like really good discounts and deals. So I got like just simple joggers to wear at home. So I got one which is black, and it is like a thick material, so really nice comfortable material, and it has like pockets, so really nice. And I love the cuffed like bottom. So I got in black shade, and I got similar one in gray as well, because why not. Then I just got these two, and I got it for a cheaper price. So we actually have like these two, and they are very nice thick material. You can see how good it is. So we actually have that, and it's almost 5:35, and it's almost like sunset. That is why the color has like changed. Now going to the loungewears that I got, I'll quickly just show you, and we are actually done. So firstly I got these one, and I think even, I'm not sure, but I got it before Black Friday, but I didn't actually show you. No, actually this is from TRENDYOL, and I am not sure from where. I think it is a Turkish brand, or I might be wrong, but this brand like takes a couple of days to reach you. Usually NAMSHI like delivers the next day itself, but this takes like a while. I mean just maybe like a week. So I'm not sure from where it like ships. I actually got these like loungewear to just wear it at home, and I actually have worn this. So you have like a simple like ribbed pants, and this is like full length, and it is a like normal comfortable pants that you can wear it at home. And this is like a set, and you have like a full sleeves t-shirt, and this is like a crop top, so you can wear like inner inside if you want to. So I had actually worn inner, because I really usually don't wear like crop tops, so I actually had worn like a inner. So you have like a nice comfortable sleeve, and you have like a nice ribbed top. So I actually got this one. So this is the first one. Okay, this is also from the same brand, and this is also ribbed. So this is but this is like way like thinner. You can see how thin it is, and I can see through it. And but so that is why I usually wear it at home and not outside. So this is the other one, and this is also like ribbed material, and it's like simple pants, but I think I prefer to you wear it at home and not outside because it is see-through. And this has like a matching top, but it's like a hoodie. So you have a hoodie and you have like button down details, and then you have nice sleeve, and this is like a very loose top, and then you can tie it on your waist, and it is also like a crop top. So if you want, you can wear like an inner or not, it's totally up to you. So we actually have this one, really comfortable, very comfortable material, you don't feel hot at all. And then lastly I got this one, and this is also like thin material, so I prefer to wear it at home. This also has like a hoodie. I haven't actually worn this one, but I prefer to wear it at home. So this is also like a hoodie, and it has like a full sleeve, pretty normal like shirt. It's like a shirt, but it's like it has a hoodie and very thin material, very soft. So we actually have that, and then you have a matching pant with this again, and you have like pockets, and you have like cuffed like pants. I prefer the pants like the cuffed ones, which are like the elastic ones, rather than these ones. I prefer those ones. So we actually have these, and I prefer the joggers from Misguided, the oversized one which has like cuffed elastic bottoms. That is, I prefer those ones. With that, I am actually done with the haul video. So anyways guys, this was actually all for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please give a thumbs up. I'll put all the links in the description so that it will be helpful for you, because honestly I really don't know the prices, so I'm really sorry about that. Whatever I can find it, and if it is in stock, I'll put a link, and there will be a link in the description, so just check it out. So anyways guys, this was actually all for today's video. I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.